I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. You're in my mind is a warning. Firefly, take me high. Teach you on a summer love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Here to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiatos with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your nigga, or a favorite perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to give you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come and try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that loaded flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but I be damned if I do not land mine. Or at least try. Can I speak up? Was it peace out? Do we eat lunch? Do we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's down right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'ma call you mine.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride.
I feel like a brand new woman, you know, hair is done. I don't look like a boy. Emphasis on not looking like a boy. Yeah. She's just clipped up right now. Gotta get ready. My cousin's birthday is today. He's turning 15 years old. Aww. Which blows my mind because he's just growing up so fast. I remember when he turned 11 and now he's 15. What is going on here, you know? But the kids are growing up, he's growing up, and we're gonna go to Benihana to celebrate him. I have 30 minutes.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Are you kidding me?
30 minutes. 30, yes.
30 minutes to get myself together, my glam together. I think I could do this. I mean, I've done my makeup in 30 minutes before, but I don't like rushing. You know. Before I get into glam, I definitely have to show you my new PR package from The Lip Bar. They just keep hooking your girl up and I just appreciate it. I love their products. So I've already opened a box because I had to do like a review the other day. So the review is loading. More than likely, I'll post it on my TikTok, Instagram, and I possibly will post it on my YouTube shorts. So stay tuned for that. This is what it looks like on the inside.
Bruh.
Now, you know it didn't have to fall like that. They sent me over their gel facial cleanser called Clean Up Definitely can't wait to try it. Sent me over their daily moisturizer, Do Me, to see if it gives me that beautiful, lovely glow. Then they also sent me their Total Meltdown makeup remover. Sometimes I don't like using makeup wipes, so I am curious to see if this balm will be better than the wipes. So when I do use it, you'll definitely know about that too, girl. But their new product is the lip balm. And I will tell you this, it's very moisturizing, it's very hydrating for the lips. You will fall in love.
Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just hit my nigga fabricated. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch fat for that. Come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it's over me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. He thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Slime with my gang and them, looking them like sisters. These bitches be learning, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of them. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of them. She the type of nigga make her mad, she going Tucson. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch do, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
Riding with my twin and on, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my op, but I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm hurt as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I forget stuff. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's what my friend fucked on your nigga.
The real trap Selena.
Hey, 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 face pretty, I could win her. Hey, 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 yeah, only want that. This is good. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. If it ain't about money, cut it short, 20 brackets, baby. Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Bitch can't do like me. Hello? Woke up and I'm feeling the and we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed, just rub my feet together. Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who them vanity Chanel's for? Not me. Y'all bitches post them shits up all y'all want, but not see. Gotta do the jumbo, might just do the maxi. I like a classic bag, gotta keep it classy. A B C D E F G, these bitches can't fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb, talking on my money phone. Shout out to my hoes, with the pants like Kamala. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're in there getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug.
Happy
Everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. The cutting man, roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the LA, they saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, the show, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. Find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bub.
Birthday to you.
Getting rubbed.
Just the noodle test. Oh.
Still a baby.
Mm-hmm.
Still a baby. Oh.
You so sweet. Lord, this is how Chris gonna look at his child.
He is like comfortable with me just holding him.
Yeah. No. Marlo be please.
Mm-hmm. He's just a little teddy bear.
No.
That's a cute shot.
Oh my God. I finally unlocked the paid collabs on LTK. It is not easy. Not easy at all getting to those 10 orders in 30 days. And when I tell you I came so close, I want to say in like August, September, I had came so close. Only needed like maybe 4 more orders or something like that. And the fact that now I've just unlocked it and over exceeded the orders, like it was so crazy that I got up to like 14 LTK orders. I was like, oh, y'all showing out. My husband was like, you're gonna get it. And I was like, I'm so thankful that you believe in me, but I'm scared, okay? And I did all of this in under 30 days. If you're looking for some holiday inspo, finds, gift ideas for your loved ones, go ahead and pull up to my LTK shop. I have that for you. I have a whole collection that says holiday shop. Look in there, girl. My LTK link is in my bio. Also, I'll be dropping it in the comments. So make sure that you follow and subscribe to my LTK so you don't miss out on none of this content for the holidays. I just want to make sure that you're good, okay?